Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Good morning! We are heading to the Ueno Zoo. Look! Yan! The second time around, gusto nilang bumalik dito sa Ueno Zoo. And it's the biggest zoo daw here in Tokyo. Mukhang maraming tao ngayon. Mukhang may field trip ang mga bata since it's October 31. I think they are celebrating the Halloween. Naghahanap kami ng mga magpipicture ng mga yellow leaves. Nagmumura yata sila. Putsay, no? Hi! Where did you go?
Lost.
Kuya's lost. I don't like you to get lost. Hold, mommy. Hold, mommy. Not allowed yung air wheel mo? Ayan. Maglalakad ka. Not allowed. Para medyo mag-lose weight. What are you getting, Sandro Bu?
The bag.
The bag. Bag full of?
I'm gonna watch.
Huh?
I'm gonna watch.
You're gonna watch? Free. Okay, 6 adults.
Why am I free?
You're still free. Sorry. Kaskas na kaskas. 6. Okay. Thank you.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Arigato. And here, you have a map, diba?
This is your map. Ang damot naman.
First.
Where are we heading, Kuya? Look at your map. To the Gorilla Woods and Tiger Forest to the West Garden or to the Monkey Mountain.
Monkey.
Oh, come on, let's check here first.
Strawberry elephant.
What a nice man.
Strawberry elephant.
Grabe, sobrang
Now we saw elephant. Elephant spider. Mommy spider.
Wow.
Ayan, oo. Okay na siya. Ala, Kuya, look. This one. Super nice.
That good?
No, this one, oh. Tingnan mo, cute na monkeys, oh.
Now we saw ang daming Kuya Erwin.
Super nice, no?
Diba?
Kuya Erwin na.
They're eating what? Bamboo?
I didn't know Kuya Erwin can eat bamboo.
Kuya Erwin daw.
Yellow.
Look up there.
Let's walk. Super cute. Oh. Show me your face. Oh, yan. Cute, cutie. Monkeys. Wala, ito rin, oh. Super cute, oh. Galaga kaya tayo dito, mahal. Lagay lang natin dun sa likod. Come on, let's check. Come on, let's check that. Oh. Hala, nag-iihi siya. Oo nga, no. Panghi naman. Come on. Anong panghi? What's that? Hamster. It's not.
It's a
Okay.
Sabi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stroller.
You want stroller? Where's your stroller?
It's at daddy.
It's with daddy. No, that's the air wheel.
No, it's not.
Oops, kuya!
Ah! Where ka naman galing?
I'm not galit. Come on.
Ano?
Eat first. I like that panda. Let's eat first. Yan, kakain muna kami. Kasi wala pa kaming brunch. Come on, let's go inside. Yeah, it's not for sale, my love. They're very grumpy na. Kaya para hindi mabuisit, kakain muna kami. Let's eat. Kasi,
Mami, bilisan mo! Saro, smile!
because we don't have...
Smile, Mami! I can go down now.
Because... I will get your pedicure. I will get your pedicure. Come on. Ganito ang stress. Kapag gutom na. Diet. Sesame. Yeah. Siopaw. Just a siopaw. Panda siopaw. Yan. Hello. You're inside the cage.
Yun o, it's counting.
Ay, sorry. What's your favorite?
Okay, press na.
Bango ah. Yay! Mga pasaway, bawal na air wheel, ginamit pa rin. Very good. Pa, ito naman inom ng inom ng apple juice oh. Ang sarap ba yan pare? Pare. Yummy ba pare?
Yes.
Okay. Bawal nga yung air wheel.
Daddy.
Hey, check the penguin. Yeah, penguin will dive. Let's wait. Yeah. Ayun na, 1, 2, 3, go! Diba? Di, bawal nga. Jack ulit si Daddy. Yeah. Ano po?
Daddy, ang kulit.
Bakit?
Wala eh.
Oo nga eh. Bawal nga eh.
Dave, yan yung shubing.
Sige, puntahan natin. Wow!
Wow! Sandro Lamstad!
Flamingo!
Wow! Sandro! Wow! Bata lemur!
Hi.
Is there the mirror?
Wow! Teka.
Oh.
Ito!
Ito ba yan? Dala.
Dana? Bilis naman. Hala, crocodile pala to. Yay! Kuya, it's a crocodile pala. Kuya! Oh, there's Piggy.
Look at Piggy, Sandro.
Piggy!
Grabe, ang ganda nila tignan naman dyan.
Amazed na naman siya, oh.
Ang ganda.
Amazing. Green iguana. Ito, oh, si Red, oh.
Daddy, this one, oh.
Yeah, Arwana. Wow, what's there?
Ganda, salamander.
Wow!
Giant salamander. Salamander yan? May sala, may sala.
Nice.
Salamander, giant salamander.
Ang mag-ama.
Green.
Surreal.
There are 4 talaga.
Yan yung 4. Tatlong pili.
It's Asante, Sana, Mili, and Hatsue.
Sana?
Sana. Inom siya, babe. Ay, hindi maghahan siya ng fish, look. Motionless, babe, oh. Sure ball siya, sure ball.
May fish na doon.
Oh, maghahan siya ng fish.
Ayun.
There's a fish.
May fish doon.
Pili ko tinukatukan niya na itong ano. Baby, tingnan mo, babe. Sobrang ano niya. Ang minimal ng galaw niya.
Yeah, check. Di ba may fish? Ayun.
Small lang.
Babe, andun natin.
Oo. Tapos bigla nalubat. Uwi na tayo lahat, tsaka pala yung kakain. Ayun na. Grabe, babe, yung pick niya.
Anong big?
Yun! No, sabi niya, oo.
Malas.
Malas. One more. So quiet. He's concentrating.
Ah.
Yes! Oh! Nice!
Bakit one daw?
Tsempohan natin 3 o'clock. Indoor exhibit. Eating time. Super bango. He's reading. Super big! Sandra, look!
What? Ang laki ng rhino. Huwag yan ang umatak sa'yo.
Patay lo. ugali ni Mami. Kiss Daddy.
Kiss Daddy. It says Palace Cat.
I like that.
It's a Palace.
The smallest mouse in the world, Kuya. Look, this is the smallest mouse in the world. Pygmy mouse. A head's body length is 5 centimeter and its body weight is 4 grams. So they are there considered the smallest one. Look, super small. You cannot see that up close. Parang ang sarap niyang interesting. Ay, this one, oh. Dwarf.
Dwarf mongoose. Wow.
Ay, don't tap it. Ay, look, oh, wow. He's finding for a cheese.
Sa Japan, Daegu. Sa Pinas, daga. Wow, it's eating time.
Wow.
That's my favorite.
Yan yung same direction lang, Kuya.
Don't tap the glass. Ayun, he's eating. Grabe ang kitulad.
Diba, isang direction lang siya, nakakatawa. Mag-alaga tayo niyan, babe. Ayun, gising siya.
Active na sila kasi paggabi na.
Oh, sino yan?
Nabutan tayo ng rain. We will sleep here in the zoo.
Paliwalang siya.
Last time, palabas natin. How can we sleep here?
Wala siyang balahibo, Kuya. Red panda, another bamboo-eating species.
No, it's a red panda.
It's not moving in.
It's a red panda, Sandro. That's not that's a red panda.
Sleeping eh.
Sleeping kasi siya. It's called red panda.
Oh, it's a panda cookie. You like it? No? Halika, hanap tayo iba. What's that? When zoo? It's an elephant zoo. How much is this?
This for me.
Ito, last na namin to kasi yung panda na gusto niya, umulan naman, super malas. 30 minutes pa yung waiting time. So, bibilan na lang namin siya ng toy. Kasi malulungkot daw siya kapag di niya nakita yung panda. Kaya bibilan na lang namin siya ng panda toy. Ayan! At inulan na nga kami! Bye-bye, Ueno Zoo! Look at Daddy. No! Why?
It's raining.
Super cute! Bye-bye vlog! Bye Rhino Zoo! Prepared na air wheel, bawal mabasa. Okay, let's go!